feels so good to be there.
Morning everyone. Now we prepare for the New Year Eve, which is the big function in yearly. So now in Bateaux, Dubai, they have like 8-course menu. You can enjoy from the amuse bush until the dessert when the firework and the lighting of the Burj Khalifa will be coming on New Year. So guys, check this out. My activity today. Actually, Dev will be enjoy with the church family outside, so we separate today. But we still have to finish all the things in this New Year. So check this out. Maybe this is the last of video in 2017, and follow our video in 2018. We still don't know where we gonna going to the other place, but you can comment which place we can going so we can review that place. So enjoy guys of the New Year Eve Bateaux Dubai preparation today under the dinner service, and check this out.
I say, oh, why does it feel so good to be there? Getting what I want, boy, why does that make you so mad? You see, oh, why does it feel so good to be there? 'Cause it feels
ready for the dinner service New Year, so hopefully we can record all the things, but I'm not sure we can because we are really busy. So check this out guys. Bye-bye. Cheers. Line up. I want to see everyone over here. Well done. Medium one. Line up. Medium all. I cannot see. Yeah. 10 minutes. Yeah. After 10 minutes, we will go into 2008. So guys, now the dessert is finished. We just pick up the cheese. After that, we're waiting for the New Year 2018. Hopefully, you guys will be blessing in the 2018, the next year. And I just want to tell Dev and Gerry, Happy New Year to all of you in the world, especially in Indonesia. So check this out. Boom.
You see, oh, why does it feel so good to be there? 'Cause it's the struggle that you're looking for, oh baby.
All of you guys, Happy New Year. We just finally finished. Happy New Year for you guys for 2018. So enjoy your night. and keep in touch with the Dev and Gerry journey. Just keep on our video to sub and scratch after everything. Okay, Susya, Happy New Year. Sujan, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Chef. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Special guest. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Chef. Happy New Year, Chef. Happy New Year, Chef. Happy New Year.